Hello everybody. Today we'll be talking about fertilizer needs of tree crops. Fertilizers are used across the farm and also on ornamental plants. Fertilizers are divided into two families, organic and inorganic. Organic fertilizers are those that come from animal and plant remains. Inorganic fertilizers are synthesized from chemical elements and compounds, and when applied to the crops, help them to grow well and produce maximally. One advantage of inorganic fertilizers over organics is that they release nutrients faster to the crops because of the concentration of macro and micronutrients in them. A bag of inorganic fertilizer has 3 letters and 3 numbers written on it. Example is NPK 20-10-10. The letter N is for nitrogen, P is for phosphorus, and K is for potassium. The numbers 20, 10, and 10 are the percentages of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium respectively in a bag of fertilizer. Our focus in this discussion will be on fertilizer for tree crops such as mango, guava, orange, cashew, coconut, palm tree, and almond. Let's begin with mango. Mango is a tree cultivated with edible fruits. It requires NPK 15-15-15 in 3 equal doses for 5 different years. First year, we apply at the rate of 2.2 kg per plant. In the second year, we increase it to 3.3 kg per plant. In the third year, we increase it again to 4.4 kg per plant. In the fourth year, use 5.5 kg per plant. And in the fifth year, we increase it again to 6.6 kg per plant. Note, each of the years will be in 3 split doses of equal amounts. Next is guava. Guava requires NPK 15-15-15-2. The 2 represents magnesium. The application is similar to the application we consider for mango in 3 split doses of about equal amounts for 5 years. Orange. Orange is a tree crop we plant with the fruits used in pharmaceutical and food industries. Orange requires NPK 15-15-15 or 8-8-8 at the rate of between 500 and 600 kg per hectare, with supplementary application of 160 kg per hectare of MOP. MOP means muriate of potash. MOP is a straight fertilizer that when applied to the crop releases only potassium to the plants. Cashew. Cashew is the tree crop that is grown mainly with its nuts, even though we eat the fruit. It behaves differently from other tree crops in the sense that it does not require the conventional NPK fertilizer. Essentially, cashew requires ammonium sulfate, single superphosphate, triple superphosphate, and the MOP. The key difference between single superphosphate and triple superphosphate is that single superphosphate is produced from phosphate rock and sulfuric acid, whereas triple superphosphate is produced from phosphate rock and phosphoric acid. Coconut tree. Coconut trees are trees similar to palm trees, even though they have different features. Coconut trees require NPK 20-10-10. Palm tree. Palm tree requires NPK 12-12-17-2 or 12-4-12-2. The number 2 represents percentage of magnesium to be supplied from magnesium oxide. Lastly, almond tree. Use between 3.6 and 5.4 kg of NPK 12-12-17 plus 2% magnesium oxide per mature tree. Apply 2 times per year, once between November and December, and then between May and June. We have discussed some tree crops and their best fertilizers, starting from mango, guava, orange, cashew, coconut, palm tree, and almond. In our next video, we will discuss the best fertilizers for other tree crops. Keep following us on our YouTube channel at GodMart, and don't forget to drop a comment or a question. Also, it is important to hit the red bell for notification about more of our videos.